Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power and proximity. Charge both AirPods and case above 20% so nothing interrupts pairing. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad has Bluetooth on and is unlocked. You should also install the latest OS for best compatibility. Now open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside and hold it within a few inches of your device. Press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED pulses white. This tells you the AirPods are in pairing mode. You should now see the pairing animation on Apple devices. If it appears, tap Connect and follow the prompts to enable features like Find My and automatic switching. For a manual route, open Settings right arrow Bluetooth and pick the AirPods entry from the device list. Confirm any pairing requests that appear. If you're connecting to an Android or PC, go to that system's Bluetooth menu, choose your AirPods from available devices, and accept the pairing. This establishes the audio profile, even without Apple-specific. Once paired, verify audio routing by playing sound and using Control Center to confirm AirPods are selected. You can also test the microphone in a voice memo or call. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. This clears previous links. If problems persist, restart your phone and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Often a quick reboot resolves lingering connection glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.